Hello everyone, welcome to this English class. And students, my name is Dipali. So students, today we are going to read the second poem in your book First Flight, and the name of the poem is Fire and Ice. So students, now this poem is a symbolic poem, okay? Your this ice and fire, they symbolize two opposite things, okay? And this poem is inspired by a book called Dante's Inferno, okay? उस बुक में क्या बताया गया था कि जो sinners हैं, जो गलत काम करते हैं, they are living in a place which is filled with fire, and they are also submerged in a lake of ice. वो अपनी गर्दन तक एक icy lake में submerged है, okay? So fire symbolizes desire, आपकी इच्छाएं, ठीक है? एंड आइस जो है यहाँ पे दैट सिम्बलाइजेज हेट, नफरत, डिस्पाइज जो लोगों के अंदर भर जाती है, ओके? सो द पोएट रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट, it is written by Robert Frost, and he is telling in this poem that there are two ways to end the world. One is hate and the other one is desire, which is which he is elaborating in this poem that we are going to study, okay? So this is a symbolic poem. It's a very short poem, very easy one. I'll read the poem, I'll explain you the meaning of the difficult words, and then we'll move further, okay? So let us start reading the poem and I'll explain you. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough to hate. To say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. So students, the poet here says that some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. So students, यहाँ पे poet जो हैं वो बता रहे हैं कि कुछ लोगों का मानना है. Now here it's not the poet's opinion, okay? He is telling about the opinion of other people. So कुछ लोग कहते हैं that the world will end in fire. फायर मैंने जैसे आपको बताया था, इट सिम्बलाइजेज डिज़ायर. सो कुछ लोगों की जो डिज़ायर्स होती हैं, इच्छाएं होती हैं, उसकी वजह से वो वॉर करेंगे, एंड वॉर कॉजेज डिस्ट्रक्शन, ओके? एंड सम पीपल सेज दैट द वर्ल्ड विल एंड ड्यू टू आइस, एंड आइस सिम्बलाइजेज हेट. तो कुछ लोग एक दूसरे से नफरत करेंगे, एक दूसरे को एनिमी समझेंगे, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट they might fight, and which also creates cause destruction. So he says the world will end in two ways, and both the ways will cause war, and because of war there will be a lot of destruction, loss of life and property. So these are the two ways to end the world, okay? These are the things the poet says about what people feel. Then he says, from what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. So poet here says, now he is sharing his opinion, what he feels. So he says कि what I feel that I have tasted of desire, मतलब उनको लगता है कि जो desire है हमारे अंदर वो ज़्यादा cause होती है to create any kind of war, to cause destruction. Why he's saying that I hold with those who favor fire, which I told you is symbolic of desire. So he says that in my opinion I favor those people who feel that desire is the root cause of causing destruction. Why? Because people have this desire of, क्योंकि आप लोगों को ये चीज़ आप लोगों ने सुनी होगी, the human needs are it might go to infinity. हम जितना भी हम चाहें ना, हमें किसी ना किसी चीज़ की कमी रहती है. अगर ये मिल जाता है तो हमको वो चाहिए, वो मिल जाता है तो फिर कुछ और उससे अच्छा चाहिए. सो द ह्यूमन डिज़ायर, ह्यूमन नीड्स आर unlimited and of no limit. So this might can create imbalance in humans mind and might cause to destruction. So he says that I favor fire because it is prominent cause of causing destruction in humans mind and around us. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. So students, here first of all I'd like to tell you the meaning of the word perish. Perish means die and suffice means be sufficient, मतलब enough, काफ़ी होना कोई चीज़. So here the poet what he says that if it had to perish twice, मतलब अगर दुनिया को अगर दोबारा ख़त्म होना है, ठीक है, if it has to end twice, अगर दोबारा ख़त्म होना है तो आई थिंक आई नो इनफ ऑफ हेट. तो मुझे हेट के बारे में भी काफ़ी कुछ पता है कि हेट भी एक ऐसा मेजर कॉज है जिसकी वजह से वर्ल्ड माइट एंड. ओके, to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. So he says that ice can also be great cause of ending the world, causing destruction. So what he says, and it might end also the world with the hatred is enough to end the world also. Okay, so this is it. This is where we end this poem. So I'll quickly give you a recap of this poem. इस पोएम में पोइट ने क्या बताया है? He says, first of all he says that people have opinion in them that there are two ways of ending this world. First is desire and then is hate. Okay, which is fire and ice. Okay, then he says that he favors fire. मतलब उनका मानना है कि desire is the root cause of causing any destruction. Then again he contradicts his opinion, and again he says that if the world had to end twice, अगर दोबारा दुनिया ख़त्म होनी है तो ice can also be a cause of it. नफ़रत की वजह से भी ये दुनिया ख़त्म हो सकती है. Okay, so it's a very small poem. It's a very symbolic poem. Ice, fire and ice. Fire is a symbol of desire, and ice is a symbol of hate. Okay, so the poet is giving a very beautiful message through this poem, that we should not create any kind of these things in our mind, and be happy what you have with you. Never create those desires, never ending desires in you. Whatever you have, feel happy for that and be happy with that. Okay, so this was it in this poem, students. I hope you understood it well, and we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, thank you, and please do like, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.